Convert a Namedtuple into a dictionary. I have a named tuple class in Python. I'd like to convert town instances into dictionaries. I don't want it to be rigidly tied to the names or number of the fields in a town. Is there a way to write it such that I could add more fields, or pass an entirely different named tuple in and get a dictionary? I cannot alter the original class definition as it's in someone else's code. So I need to take an instance of a town and convert it to a dictionary.
TL, Doctor, there's a method _asdict provided for this. Here is a demonstration of the usage. This is a documented method of Namedtuples, i.e. unlike the usual convention in Python, the leading underscore on the method name isn't there to discourage use. Along with the other methods added to Namedtuples, _make, _replace, _source, _fields, it has the underscore only to try and prevent conflicts with possible field names. Note: for some 2.7.5 is lower than Python version is lower than 3.5.0 code out in the wild, you might see this version. For a while the documentation had mentioned that _asdict was obsolete, see here, and suggested to use the built-in method vars. That advice is now outdated. In order to fix a bug related to subclassing, the _dict_ property which was present on Namedtuples has again been removed by this commit. There's a built-in method on Namedtuple instances for this, _asdict. As discussed in the comments, on some versions vars will also do it, but it's apparently highly dependent on build details, whereas _asdict should be reliable. In some versions _asdict was marked as deprecated, but comments indicate that this is no longer the case as of 3.4.
Normally _asdict returns a order edict. This is how to convert from order edict to a regular dict. The output will be
On Ubuntu 14.04 LTS versions of Python 2.7 and Python 3.4 the _dict_ property worked as expected. The _asdict method also worked, but I'm inclined to use the standards-defined, uniform property API instead of the localized non-uniform API. $Python 2.7. Seeing as dict is the semantic way to get a dictionary representing something, at least to the best of my knowledge. It would be nice to accumulate a table of major Python versions and platforms and their support for _dict_. Currently I only have one platform version and 2 Python versions as posted above.
If you're slowed down, please consider driving.